ටීචර් අද ළමයි WhatsApp එකේ ස්පීකින් හෝම්වර්ක් එකක් දාලා තිබ්බා. මොකක්ද මේ?
ඔව්. ඒ අපේ Power Up 6 එකේ short answers with so and no කියන grammar point එකට අපේ ළමයි කරලා තිබ්බ activity එකක්.
Hello, I'm Dilita and this is my sister Dini. Hi. So Dinity, what would you like to have as a pet?
I would like to have a dog as a pet.
So would I. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue color.
So is mine. What instrument would you like to play?
I would like to play the piano.
I would rather play the guitar. What would you like to have for dinner?
I would like to have spaghetti for dinner.
So would I. What music genre do you normally listen to?
I would normally listen to classical type of music.
I used to listen to classical music, but now I listen to pop music.
Okay.
Thank you.